Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TGGI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And this presentation is actually pretty tricky just because it really depends on kind of your perspective as far as, whether the chart's good or bad. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought, somewhere up around there and you wanted to sell within 25 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you right now, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, yeah, I get it. The price pulled back some. But there's still plenty of opportunity for the bulls to build a higher base, and as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a different, outlook or strategy going into the trade. And really, case in point, it's all about these two levels of support, both of which held very nicely today. Temporarily, the price actually broke below 0006, but found some support down at that green line, 0005. And then by the time the closing bell came around, not only did the price bounce back up above 0006, but the bears tried several more times to push down below it. But the bulls said, no, that's not going to happen anymore. And they did hold strong there. So emphasis on big picture. But from the big picture perspective, even with the pullback, what do you still have overall? Let's actually say the price goes down to 0005 and goes down there, behaves like this before finally starting to work its way upwards. Again, emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture perspective, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying, quote unquote, make progress as 0005. So sure, today the price pulled back some. But think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build that higher base. So that'll be priority number one going into tomorrow to close out the week, building a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.